Why you gassing, dawg? Why you coming to my table without asking, dawg? I know you hate me with a passion, I ain't mad at y'all. I know you mess with every classic in my catalog, and it go worth your magazine team thinking it's blue love. Cash time with a jean, skinny, full of stutters. I don't need a green screen when I pull stunts, cause when you the real thing, brothers get touched, and it's super unlocked. I don't give a damn about your #1 spot. Corporate sleeping on me, need to set alarm clocks. Word to all my Naja homies getting telecom guap in the billboards. That's the stuff that I kill for a big dream since I was a little boy. I'm stressed, middle finger to the press. Tried to give a damn, but I ain't got none left. I'm blessed, let me ball like the ball on door. Forbes, if you ever fall, it's a cannonball. Mix me with the bulls like a matador. I just hope you that involved when the camera off. Bang, 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 and it's all about the moolah. Big shout out to Buddha, smoking Buddha in Abuja. Tunnel vision got me thinking future like computers. 20 women swimming in the pool like Barracuda. Oh, maybe I should spit some we can build with. I think we all need change, who got the till slip. It's way beyond Drake and Meek Mills. Forget a fiance, I got a little kid. Even Ricky called me the other day. Stuck in the middle, it's sad that we can't collaborate. But I was out in Europe doing bigger things. See, when it rains, it pours. Understand with me when it's war, it's war. Thinking back, you wasn't even national yet. Matter of fact, I used to be a fan of yours. Young king, I should've took you under my wing. Instead, I let you under my skin. I know coming up is a wonderful thing, but even I get uncomfortable when they call me the king. I know you play like you humble, but we just one and the same. You trying to stay out of trouble and I'm stuck in my lane. I hope the pressure don't make me buckle so much in my plate. Appetite for destruction, this thing is like a buffet. Hey, 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 hold it now, hold it now, hold it now. This ain't your moment, we own it now. Some type of way. Mamo asked me what this song about. Composure, 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 composure. Know yourself in front of future. Let's take it back to the music, cause I can't control myself. My brother's on the road, living crazy woman. I be on my phone looking through my baby pictures. That's what the fuck you call a juxtaposition. Had enough of these clubs, but they don't wanna miss it. All the bass blow me kisses, drinking champagne just to piss it. Brothers been saying all my stuff authentic. Every Trinidad James, get your 50 minutes. Heard your new release, put that shit on fast forward. Kept them on my team, there's a context for it. This is combat, need a ball sack for it. It's a marathon track, all the boys on roads. Time to hit the road, pull your money up, went gold, but you niggas did it funny style. KO, they didn't even try to floss with it. Saying no when you with it like a boss ninja. All this talk about God, I'ma show you hell. Bring it to your face like a L'Oreal. My ninjas in position when they ring the bell. They gon' get your ponytail like the Holy Grail. That's the problem with you new school cats. Took your whole style from a loon cool cat. Throw my hands in the dirt, such a pity that you can't dance on the verse. Hold it now, hold it now, hold it now. This ain't your moment, we own it now. You feeling some type of way? They gon' ask me what this song about. Composure, 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 composure. Know yourself in front of future. Let's take it back to the music, cause I can't control myself. I'm the reason and just had the saga on repeat. Now you wanna charge me 80,000 for a beat. Load it up on data file, put it on wax. Streets on smash, but your video trash. Lately I've been going through some changes, trying to figure out where I let my mama down, cause the mother of my child is an angel. Do I blame it on myself for this fame thing? Busy putting in the hours, final touches to the album, when I should've bought you flowers and a bracelet. Now we gotta make different living arrangements. All the family gonna see this ish in the papers. My father telling me don't make the same mistakes. Coming home late in the plates in the microwave. Now you got your very own baby face. We were so in love back in '88 anyway. I don't give a damn what you say to me. All you girls in the club look the same to me. I'ma need a double cup like a major league. Why you tryna front like you ain't afraid of me? Super mega touchdown every city you go. Heard you moving up now in the city you go. When I go to Math Town, I'ma sit on a throne, tryna feel a good throne, about to fill up your home. Hold it now, hold it now, hold it now. This ain't your moment, we own it now. You feeling some type of way? They gon' ask me what this song about. Composure, 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 composure. Know yourself, I'm from the future. Let's take it back to the music, 'cause I can't